we're still on 62 traveling east. So there's that sign I wanted to see. And we're not going too far today. We're going 100 miles away. So we will be resting in another area pretty soon. It's almost 2 o'clock. We didn't, yeah, see? It told you where we're going. It's almost 2 o'clock, so we should be there about another hour and a half. That's okay, because then we can relax for the afternoon. Let's stop for a second. That's just too cool not to stop. Yeah, so we're out here on 62. We're traveling east. This just happened to be there. We're out in the middle of nowhere. I don't know what this used to be. The railroad track is over there. And it goes down there. You can see some cars way in the heck off that way. Zoom in a little bit. Yeah, so we saw this must have been an old gas station that burnt down. So people are taking their old shoes, which I wish we had some, and they're throwing them over that. Kind of neat, huh? We don't have any old shoes, I don't think. Yeah, see? Some old shoes. Hopefully that's focused. That's just kind of neat. Stickers from everywhere. Pretty cool, huh? Some railroad cars. Please contribute to the drinking habitat of the what? Lady Palm. Okay. Just met some folks. Max wants to say hello. It's a neat little quickie stop here. All right, let's get going. That was an interesting little thing. Here's some more down here. Look at this over here, bottles. No, I gotta stop for this one, hold on. Well, this is pretty cool. We just went about a couple hundred yards from the last place and we ran into this. That's pretty cool. More shoes, more trash. But one man's trash is another man's treasure. So that is pretty neat. This is on 62, Highway 62 going east. Past Rice. So yeah, I think that's pretty interesting. This used to be a building of some sort. Pretty cool. Let's go back on the road. That was pretty neat looking at all those shoes. There must have been a million shoes there. See what this is all about? I don't mind boondocking out in the middle of nowhere. That's fine if that's what you want to do.
Come with me, I'll follow you.
Well, if we're going boondocking, you need to get ahead of me and pick a place. Is this free? Oh no, it's way back there.
They're all back there.
They probably are, looking over the water, which is way over there someplace. Also look for the sign that says Black Meadow Landing. It should be to the left. That we should have to go and go up that way someplace. Sorry all the cars behind us, but I'm going slow because I've never been here before and I want to check it out. Like a town over there to the right. Ooh, that was flat right there, but that's too close to the highway. See, there's places over here on the left. Go too fast.
Hey, let's see what we can find.
Yeah, if we're higher up too, we should get a better signal.
And don't get too far ahead of you.
Please don't. But I said if we get higher, we'll get a better signal maybe. Look, we're boondocking. This is what we've been wanting to do all along. but we couldn't find a nice spot. But guess where we're at? We're actually in Parker. That's where we're at. Got the old cruise light there. Got Maxer's gonna check out the area for us. We got to make sure that we're level. I'm gonna probably pull up a little bit more and drop her down a little bit. What do you think?
That sounds like a plan.
So the sun's gonna come up this way.
In the morning.
In the morning. Max, what do you think? Is this a good place to be with Max? He said, yeah, Mama's got to let me go, though. We let him go, he'll be not here at all. All right, so we need to lower stuff and raise stuff, right?
Yep.
All right, hope you liked all that videos that we showed you. We went on the road this morning, and we finally ended up where we're going to stay for maybe a couple nights. We'll see. We're boondocking for the first time out in the desert. We have always heard about these places, and we found out where these places were online. So we finally are doing what we wanted to do. And in the background, you'll hear that noise because when we got here, the camper inside was about 100 degrees. So we turned it on, and it actually cooled the camper down. I'm charging up some batteries and getting ready for doing some editing a little bit later. But yeah, we're here, and I don't know if you can see behind us over here, but that actually over that way, that is Arizona. And the Colorado River's over there someplace. So that's what we use our Champion generator for. Works pretty good. It's plugged in, goes down. I got a long cord because this guy that comes with it is 50 foot, but it's so hard to get back in the little hole. So yeah, so we don't have water, but we do have bottles of water, and that's all we need for right now. We have flushing toilet water, and then we have drinking water, and when we cook tonight, whatever we're gonna cook.
It does that from time to time.
Yeah, it does that. Okay. But anyways, so we're boondocking finally. Yay! Are you happy?
Uh-huh.
Me too. But you can see other people. Look, way up here, there's about, I don't know, like 10 more spots like this way up that way. So you can put another 25, 30 people up in here. And then down in here, you've got that guy over there, which is great. He's got his generator going. You got a couple small campers down that way. So we made it to our first spot before we actually drive on to work camp, right?
Yes.
All right. Just wanted you to see this. We'll talk to you in the morning.
Look, I'm collecting rocks again.
Look, she's collecting rocks again. But anyways, we'll see you in the morning, okay?